Hey there, football fans and meme enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of memes, featuring two of the greatest footballers of all time, Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi. And the best part, we're going to create realistic meme images of them using AI. And it's all completely free. Let's score some meme goals together in this exciting tutorial. First things first, fire up your Chrome browser and search for Styler AI. Once on the Styler AI website, click on New Project to begin our meme-making journey. Select Text to Image as the transformation type for our project. Click on Realistic for a lifelike transformation. Describe the hilarious meme images. Create a hilarious meme image of Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi to football rivals caught in an unexpected moment of dance-off during a match. Picture Ronaldo and Messi in their football gear, showcasing their best dance moves in the middle of the stadium amidst bewildered players and spectators. Let your creativity flow as these legendary footballers groove away their differences. Click on Stylize to apply the realistic style. For some added fun, let's choose Innocent Cutie as another style for our meme images. Click on Stylize once again to apply the Innocent Cutie style and add a touch of humor to our meme images. Take a moment to review the transformed images and marvel at the realistic depictions of the football superstars. Review the results and enjoy the comedic twist added by the Innocent Cutie style. Choose the meme images that best capture the essence of Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi in meme form. Select all images and click on Place on Canvas to arrange them for export. Finally, select all images and click on Export to download your realistic Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi meme images. And there you have it, folks. With just a few clicks, we've transformed images of Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi into hilarious meme masterpieces using AI, and it's all completely free. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own football-themed memes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun content. Until next time, keep kicking those meme goals.